there, Kalena from Voice Savvy, coming right back at you with another video. So today I'm going to be giving you a vocal exercise to really help you strengthen your mixed voice. But first, let's talk about it. So your mixed voice is just a combination of both chest voice and head voice, and really just blending the two together. It's one of the most challenging areas of the voice for us singers. It's also known as the bridge, the break, the middle, the passaggio, and also it can be known as the place where things go seriously wrong for us singers, especially if we're not spending time, really developing it. But if we were to extract the pitches from most contemporary song melodies, then we would find that they land in the mixed area of the voice, which is why it's super important for us to really be honing in and spending time developing our mixed voice. So without further ado, let's do the exercise. So this exercise is called the chicken, and you're basically just going to be making chicken sounds. A little bit silly, but I promise you it is a really great exercise for really just allowing you to go through your mixed voice with ease, So let's do it. So we're just going to start out by saying it, and then we're going to take it to the scale. So you can just start by going bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. Imagining that you're a chicken. Yeah. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. You ready? Let's take it to the scale. I know, it's ridiculous. I know. But it's amazing for the voice. So let's do it. Bop, 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 bop. 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 So that's the chicken exercise. Enjoy. So that is it from me. Give that exercise a try and let me know how you get on. Comment below and just keep me updated with how you're getting on. And also, if there's anything that you would like me to cover on this channel, then please comment below and let me know, and I will get that covered for you. But I think that's pretty much it. If you're new to this channel, subscribe below, hit that notification bell as well so that you can stay up to date with when I upload videos, which is weekly. Also, I think that's pretty much it. Anything else? Share. Share these videos with anyone that you feel is going to find them helpful. And that's it. And I will see you again soon, amazing people. Peace out.